Hello, greetings again. This is Sanford Khan, and as some of my friends who've read my books like to call me the Rogue Meister. Anyways, what I'd like to do with this video and ones that follow is a short series based on a ebook, Kindle ebook I had published on Amazon entitled, this is the front cover of it. I made a hard copy. Let's see if I can get it straight. Called Rogue Thinking in the Age of Herd Mentality. There it is. That's better. Rogue Thinking in the Age of Herd Mentality. If you want to get it, it's only $1.99 on Amazon, an ebook, Kindle. It's about the price of Starbucks cup of coffee. I think you'll enjoy it. It definitely gives you a different point of view on life and events and society and economics, politics, and all that. Very easy to read. There are postings on various subjects, like I just said. But what I like to do in this series of videos is called Rogue Thinking, and this is going to be lesson number 1. And it's called On Being Balanced in harmony with nature and all that stuff. So I'm going to read it. This is actually in the book. Some of the videos will be on, most of them will be on things in the ebook, and then I also will do some that are not in there. You know, it's called poetic license. Since I'm the author, I will have the license to do it. So let's get this, let's talk about on being balanced. Everybody wants to be in balance, in harmony. I'm going to read this. I don't usually like to read, but I want to get it correct. I don't want to make mistakes, so guess what? I'm going to read it. It'll be short. Don't worry about it. Listen carefully, okay? On being balanced. Everybody wants balance in their life. That's true. Everybody does, including me. Yet, balance, like security, does not exist in nature. I'll read that one again. Yet, balance, like security, does not exist in nature. To be balanced is to be stagnant. Is to be stagnant. This is the most important sentence that I'm going to read in this lesson. Stagnation over time produces nothing more than decay and decline. I'll read that again. Stagnation over time produces nothing more than decay and decline. Nature is always in movement, and this movement is aggressive and chaotic. Your survival, get my hand up here, your survival is dependent on understanding this simple truth. Nothing in nature is stagnant. Nature is always moving, and the movement is governed by chaos and turbulence. You have to understand that. It's not linear. It's governed by chaos and turbulence. If you can understand that and accept it, you have a chance of thriving and prospering in what is a very chaotic economy, not only in the United States, but also in the world. Anyways, I appreciate it. If you could pass this video on to other people, and this will be lesson number 1 on Rogue Thinking. That's going to be the title of it, Rogue Thinking, and the title of the lesson is On Being Balanced. Don't be balanced. Be a little bit off balance, off center. You'll be in more harmony with nature if you're off center. Appreciate you could pass this on to other people. If I already said that, I'm repeating myself. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you again. Take care, folks.